When you sell your house, the first thing people do is to contact a realtor to get the process going. But should you hire an attorney? Let's find out. Come on in and have a seat. I'm Ben Weaver, an Illinois attorney and founder of 23 Legal. I provide personal, practical, and professional service by guiding clients through the process of buying and selling a home throughout Chicago and its suburbs. And I look darn good doing it. With me as always is Adam Phone Call McGraw-Carr.
Keep it down, I'm getting you a contract.
He's always watching those phones and the socials. And last time we talked about what a real estate attorney does, we chatted about the buying process. Let's take some time today to talk about what we do when it comes to selling a house. The first thing we do is make sure we have done all the necessary research on the property. We acquire the title records, the survey, and any possible homeowners association documents. Without these documents, we would not have the necessary details to properly sell the house. The survey and title records, in short, they define the property lines and history on the house. They lay out any encroachment issues or other red flags. HOA documents are necessary to make sure there are no hidden fees or potential violations of the contract that your house could be subject to. The more information we have, the more prepared and ready we'll be to deal with the issues and quickly sell your house. Speaking of preparation, that's the next issue we want to address. We're prepared and ready to go. While you may have a friend who's an attorney, if they're not a real estate attorney, they may not be able to help you with real estate. They may not know the best way to draft a deed, how to draft closing documents, and other necessary paperwork that we deal with on a daily basis. Preparation for a home sale is key, and we do everything we can to ensure nothing surprises you during the process. Also, it's our responsibility to make sure we meet all city requirements so that sale is finalized. And then it's on to finalizing the sale. We'll meet before the closing to sign the deed and any other documents needed for the closing, so we can attend that closing on your behalf. Once the house has been closed with the buyer, we get to the most important part. You get your money. Cha-ching! So in short, having an attorney ensures that no steps have been skipped in getting your property good to go for the sale. And we make sure there are no hidden issues that you may be responsible for. We draft the documents for you, and I attend that closing on your behalf. Which raises the question, why wouldn't you want an attorney on your side? Hey, have you ever sold a house without an attorney and wish you did? Leave it in the comments below. If someone you know is about to sell a house on their own, go ahead and send them this video so they have a little bit more awareness of what we do for them. And please subscribe to 23 Legal for more information on real estate law. I'm Ben Weaver from 23 Legal, open to taking new contracts and clients, and I'll see you in the next video.